Hello.
They're a Brooklyn couple, them not us, known for restoring historic homes. Barry Bordelon and Jordan Slocum are known as the Brownstone Boys. They are Brooklyn-based designers. They look like such cool dudes from
That's the stoop. You know what? I don't believe it's not you guys. It's the stoop.
It's the stoop.
They're renovation experts and authors of the book For the Love of Renovating, man.
They're on a mission to restore and renovate historic homes around the city, and they bring their followers along with them. This morning, they are joining us with some ways to refresh our homes without breaking the bank. Or your back.
Or your back.
Welcome to
Hi, fellas.
Hi. Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome. Man, you guys owe us big time for that.
How did this happen? How did you become the Brownstone Boys?
So believe it or not, Barry and I bought our place only after 7 months of dating. But it was on the second date that we were taking a bike ride throughout New York, and we discovered that we shared a mutual passion of old homes here in the city.
You didn't know this before? You guys, before 7 months?
It was the second date. It was the second date.
Okay.
Give them some grace.
I was going to say, yeah.
Okay.
Well, we started a business, and we've renovated about 30 homes now together.
Were you guys both renovators before you met, or was this something that brought you together?
We both had design backgrounds, but it was really when we got together and we did all of the restoration, the renovation, and it really came out of our own house. That was our first project, and now 7 years later, we've done about 30 restoration and renovation projects.
I envy that quality so much. I wish I had that ability.
I know.
Because you spend so much, and you do it, and you're watching things. I got to get this out of the way.
But this is going to come into the show and tell portion of the segment.
But you do, and it's so nice to know how to do things on your own and have the eye for it. So it's very cool.
Yeah, and we do big projects, big renovations, but it doesn't always have to be that. We love to do small projects, and it's new year. It's time to refresh the house, and so that's what we wanted to show you here today. Are things that don't break the back and don't break the bank. Small things to do that you can transform a space and just kind of renew it a little bit.
Well, you've got all the accoutrements, so where should we begin?
So let's start right over here. We love peel and stick wallpaper. It is super forgiving.
You're the only one.
Sure. In theory, I like it. I've never tried it.
Well, it's so forgiving. So you can do a lot of things, and you don't necessarily need to think big. You don't have to think the full room.
Right.
You can maybe transform a bookshelf or a drawer front. Oh. Here I have little samples for all of us, just to show us how easy it is. And basically, you have your design side, and then you have the back here.
Right.
And if you just remove that,
I feel like I'm in like cut and paste
maybe
right
like
now.
an inch or so, and I
And
think
then
this one might be easier for us.
You are so easily amused.
I am.
And by the way, this is our wallpaper from Wallpops.
This is
it's
sexy.
All based on New York.
Oh, I love it.
And then if you just stick it here and pretend that this is a cabinet front over here.
Okay.
You're going to take your wallpaper scraper.
Wait, peel it all in one
It's
thing?
Easy, yeah.
I like to do maybe an inch or two.
You're a Virgo, aren't you?
A Scorpio.
Oh, God.
I know.
Fine.
You know what it is?
All right, so just a wee bit.
It's getting it straight,
And then
which
if you
is the
put
hardest for
this
me.
down on the surface, just like this, and then you pull this back, it's going to require a little bit of trick here. But then you bring this down, so now you have your surface sticking here, and you're going to take your wallpaper scraper, and you're just going to scrape out all of those bubbles that come on here.
And is peel and stick wallpaper readily available? Like you can get it anywhere?
Absolutely. There's a lot of options out there. And the great thing is
very satisfying.
It's so forgiving, and you can transform this. Maybe you're sick of it after a month or two. You can peel that right off as a sticker, and then you have a brand new space.
I'm going to fix your mess.
This is what happens every time.
Usual.
You got this.
It's never straight, and there's always air bubbles.
Go to the next reno thing.
What is next?
Okay, so the next thing we wanted to show you here is transforming your space with lighting. We're not even talking about changing the light fixtures. We're just talking about changing the light bulbs. A lot of people ask us how to get that warm, cozy glow in their home. So we have the exact same light fixture here, 2 different light bulbs. This one is 2700 Kelvin. This one is 3500 Kelvin. Just remember, the lower the number, the warmer, the higher, the colder it's going to be.
This is romantic night in.
Yes, exactly.
This is operating table.
Exactly.
Get a red light bulb, too.
Yes. Makes a big difference.
Maybe for your bathroom, you want to think of a colder temperature, but at night, go warm.
Your living spaces, your bedroom.
This is something you can all do this weekend.
Right,
This
exactly.
do this as well.
Big difference.
What's next?
So are you guys obsessed with Facebook Marketplace? Like me?
Yes. That is excellent, yes.
It is an addiction problem of mine. But over here, we have a side table. And we did this whole restoration. We love giving old things new life. And this was done under $50.
Stop it.
Swear. So we went to the antique store and we saw this table. Sometimes people look for the prettiest things, but we always look for things that need the most love.
That's nice.
We brought this home and we paint stripped. As you can see, it was covered in layers of paint.
That's fantastic.
So we paint stripped, and paint stripping doesn't need to be difficult. It's something that we recommend starting small and then working your way into larger projects. This is the Cobra speed heater.
Oh, hello.
And it's an infrared speed heater, so you heat it up, it paint strips everything off. You just put it on your surface, as you see over here, and then all of that paint will bubble off, and you can take your scraper
I bet that's
and remove all the
satisfying.
paint.
Oh, like peeling off nail polish.
Listen, if you need any therapy or anything, you just go
peel
ahead and
paint.
do some paint strip, and it will do the trick for you. And then we added some stain over here and a polyurethane.
That's
and now
gorgeous.
this side table has a brand new life.
And hardware is also an easy way to kind of zhuzh up something.
It is. So we also changed the hardware in this piece. It can be a piece of furniture. It can be a kitchen or a bathroom. Hardware, we call it the jewelry of the home.
Yeah.
Totally transform a space. And sometimes we have this here. We're not making chili, but sometimes we even have a whole old original hardware that's been painted, put it in the crock pot with water and baking soda, takes all that paint right off.
Amazing.
Unbelievable.
You guys rule.
Come for
Thank
the
you so
reno.
much.
Stay for the cooking tips.
Great job.
Brownstone Boys, thank you so much. Pick up a copy of their book. It is fantastic. For the love of renovating, follow them over on Instagram at Brownstone Boys. Thank you so much.
Great job.
Thank you.
I'll take that table tip.